What kind of places do you think you need to go to see primates? Primates include humans, as well as monkeys, chimps, apes, and others, and you don't always have to go deep into the jungle. Today, we're going to learn about two species of primates, one in South America and the other where I am now in Cambodia, that live in or near urban environments. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you never miss your dose of nature in the city. Let's check it out. Across the world, primates are divided into two main categories: Old World primates and New World primates. Old World primates are those that are found in the Old World, or rather the continents of Asia and Africa. These two continents combined have the greatest diversity of primates, which include famous ones like apes and chimps, among many others. At some point in time, a species of primate ended up in what became the Western Hemisphere. From there, through an evolutionary phenomena known as adaptive radiation, new species of primates evolved from a single species, adapting to different habitats across South and Central America. As both sides of the world began to urbanize, some species of primates have been able to adapt to human landscapes, and today we'll take a look at one Old World primate, the crab-eating macaque, and one New World primate, the black and gold howler monkey, both of which seem to be thriving in or near human settlements. The Angkor Wat ruins, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was once a great temple and religious site of the former Khmer Empire. Built in the early 12th century by King Suryavarman II, it was originally a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu, but later transformed into a Buddhist temple. Abandoned by 1431, the large ruins have slowly been uncovered by the encroaching jungle, and are now inhabited by a species of Old World primate, the crab-eating macaque. Today, these charming primates seem to have little fear of people as tourists flutter about the archaeological park. Despite their name, crab-eating macaques have a varied diet, including meat, fruit, vegetables, and even human food. This generalist diet may be one reason why they are so successful at living in forest fragments near towns and cities. In some areas of Southeast Asia, this species can become aggressive towards people, though during my visit to Angkor Wat, they did not seem aggressive. However, their appearance can be an unexpected surprise for some. Some Old World monkeys, like the macaques, have been interacting with people for many centuries. But in South America, the presence of primates in the urban environment is a relatively new phenomenon. In the town of Pilar, in southwest Paraguay, researchers from the nonprofit organization Para la Tierra are conducting studies of urban populations of black and gold howler monkeys. This species of primate lives in both rural environments and right in the city, such as in people's backyards. Para la Tierra can compare rural and urban populations of the howler monkeys, and they're examining things like behavior, diet, their lifespan, population stability, and best practices for conservation in an urban versus a rural environment. This is a unique opportunity for primatologists, scientists who study primates, to directly compare urban versus rural primate populations in a fairly accessible setting. Para la Tierra is one of the leading conservation organizations in Paraguay, and I'll put a link to their website in the video description below. A challenge for humans is learning how to coexist with primates and other wildlife in a sustainable manner and in an increasingly urbanized world.
Well, as you can see today, not all primates live deep in the jungle. Some live right in urban areas and cities. From Cambodia, my name is Alex, and I'm your CLE Urban Naturalist.